Well, hello everybody. Welcome to Buck Does It. Today I'm going to button up a few things under the hood here. I'm going to get rid of all this these wires and put the oil pressure sending unit in. This alternator, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it moves when the belt pulls on it. I want to put a bracket in the back here and then maybe add one from here over to this. There's a hole down here. Alright, got the top piece welded on. We gotta go get some metal hot down underneath here. Alright, a little update. I don't know if you can see that. I added that bracket. I got a bracket from another bracket, cut it, added a piece. That seems pretty solid so far. We're going to put the alternator, I'll paint it up first and put the alternator on. Oh yes, much happier now. I don't see any movement there. There we go. Well, that's looking a whole lot better. Not as shaky. Okay, I'm happy with that bracket. It's not shaking around as much. Shouldn't break as easy. I may still add another brace yet too, but I'm still on the hunt for another alternator bracket. I haven't found any yet, and so we'll see what happens there. But at least I should be able to drive it down the road now without any concern about it breaking off, because it was pretty shabby before. So with that, I want to thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Ring the bell if you want to be notified. And be good. If you can't be good, be kind. See ya.